We're on our way to, where are we going? Estes Park, which is like at the foothills of the Rocky Mountains, and let's go. Well, here we are. Look at this place. Wow. This is Colorado right here. Yeah, look at this place, man. Amazing. Every now and then we just come out places like this. They look really nice in like the wintertime, but it's kind of dangerous out here in the wintertime. All right, let's go in. All right, here it is right here. Here's the room. Turn on some lights. And, you know, we got places to work over here. And a little fireplace. And yeah, this is pretty much it. The little kitchenette over here. I could stay here for days if I wanted to, just working from home, remote working.
Wi-Fi.
Yeah, the Wi-Fi is actually really good. Better than ours in our house. And and even though this is the middle of nowhere, it's better than ours, which is horrible.
Not good.
Ready to go? To
Yes.
the Rocky Mountains? Let's go. Just packing up. Okay. I'm kind of wearing this mask because it's like by the wildfires in northern part of Colorado. Wildfires like miles that way. But once again, able to work remotely from these awesome locations in Colorado. One of my favorite states. Colorado is a beautiful, amazing place. Just check out the scenery. Here with my wife, and we're able to just kind of travel anywhere we want, you know, because I work remotely. It's awesome. It's awesome. What you do is, you know, Monday through Friday, as long as you have good internet connection and you can do your work from a secure location, you can go ahead and work there, and then when you're off on the weekend or, you know, holiday or after work, you can just go check out the scenery, walk around, and those guys are fishing over there. You know, it's just a beautiful place. Right there is where they filmed this film called The Shining. I don't know if you've ever, you know, of course, some of you guys know what that is, but they filmed that movie there many years ago. That's it right there. So, yeah, this is some of the stuff that I love about remote work is that you can I can work from anywhere, you know, not just in America either. Depending on the company and the contract you have, sometimes I can even work in other countries for these giant companies. So, you know, that's something that you definitely have to check out the policies, because some companies, they only want you to work from certain states or from the continental United States. So that's something that you have to check out, you know. And the way you check that out, I talk about that in my course, but they have export and import laws that you have to abide by. And you just talk to HR basically, you know, and look at your contract, because it'll usually explain what the rules are. And so, something to look out for, you know. Yeah, it's just been a life changer to be able to work wherever we want and travel whenever we want, have a little bit more freedom and time with my kids and my wife and everything. It's really cool. And we're like in a cabin, and the cabin has internet, so well, I don't know if you would call it a cabin. It's kind of fancy for a cabin. But yeah, check this place. It's just amazing. This is Estes Lake, just a beautiful place. You just don't see this part of Colorado very often.